Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Google Gemini quick access and how you can activate it on your Android phone. So in here, what you need to do first is install the app. So let's go to the Play Store and here click on the search column and then type in Google Gemini. This one, and you can see this is the app. So what you need to do next is just click on the install button and wait for the apps until it's fully installed on your phone. Okay, so after it's successfully installed, you can just go back to your home screen and then find the Google widgets on your phone. So you just swipe left and here it's Google. You can just click on the your photo at the top right corner and then go to the settings, and in here you can just uh, click on the Google Assistant and then just scroll down until you find this digital assistant from Google. Click on that and here click on Gemini so you can switch it into the Gemini, Google's new AI powered assistant that can help you get a creative inspirations and be more productive. So let's click on the Gemini and here you can click on switch. Just wait. Click on switch again at the bottom and click on use Gemini. Okay, so now the Gemini has been activated. So now the Google Assistant on your phone is the Google Gemini. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.